Great infrastructure is not built only with steel and machines, it is built with precision, expertise, and a commitment to quality. Welcome to Elcon Industriess Wadki Plant, Pune. Every product we manufacture reflects our promise of engineering excellence. The process starts with carefully selected raw materials. These materials undergo preparation and inspection to ensure they meet our strict quality standards before entering the production process. With advanced machinery and an experienced workforce, our team precisely cuts, shapes, and fabricates each component to create high-performance cable trays and accessories. From perforated cable trays and ladder cable trays to bends, tees, reducers, and other accessories, every product is engineered to deliver strength, durability, and efficient cable management. Manufacturing simply doesn't end with production. Every product undergoes detailed quality checks. Lastly, we ensure consistent and timely delivery for projects across industries. At Elcon Industriess, we don't just manufacture cable trays. We engineer the backbone of modern infrastructure.